children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to do the page number 152. What is there on 152? See, match the columns. Column A and column B are there, and in column A we are having dates and months, and column B some events. So let us match. 26th January. 26th January is Republic Day. 15th August. 15th August is a Independence Day. 5th September, Teachers Day. 14th November, Children's Day. 25th December, Christmas. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, then we have word problems. Word problems. Solve these word problems and show the time in the clocks. Sanjana goes to play at 6 o'clock. She plays for 2 hours. What time does she return home? 2 hours after 6 is 8. Sanjana returns home at 8 o'clock. So, show the time in the clock 8 o'clock. Ravi starts his lunch at 11. He takes 30 minutes to finish the lunch. At what time does he finish? After 11, 30 minutes means it is 11:30. So, 11:30. So, 11:30 means shorthand is in the between of 11 and 12. And longhand is on 6. 11:30. Ravi finishes at 30 minutes after 11 is 11:30. Ravi finishes at 11:30. Okay. Then go to the next page, 153. A movie starts at 12. If it runs for 2 hours, what time will it end? If it starts at 12, after 2 means 12 after 2 means 1, 2. 12 after 1, 2. So, 2 hours after 12 is 2. Okay. The movie will end at 2 o'clock. Shorthand is on 2 and longhand is at 12. Okay. Shorthand 2, longhand 12. Kriti's mother is making a cake. She starts at 10. It takes 15 minutes for preparation and 45 minutes for the cake to bake. When will the cake be ready? Okay. The time she needs to prepare and bake the cake is, see here, 15 minutes, 45 minutes. 15 plus 45, how much? 15 plus 45. 15 plus 45 will be 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6. It is 60 minutes. It is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 1 hour after 10. 1 hour after 10 is 11. The cake will be ready at 11. Okay. Small hand, short hand at 11 and long hand is at 12. Okay. Then, how much do you know? Draw the hands on the clocks to show the time. 9:15. 9:15. So, shorthand on 9. And quarter means 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. 5 3s are 15. 1:15. Shorthand on 1. Longhand on 3. Then quarter to 5. Quarter to 5. Quarter to 5 means it is near. Quarter to 5 means it is in the middle of shorthand between 4 and 5 and longhand at 9. Quarter to 5, and this 3 you will be doing for your homework. Okay. Quarter to 5. Then turn the page, 154. Then what we have in 154, look at the calendar for the month of September and answer the following questions. If 13th September is a Sunday, okay, 13th September, where is this 13th September? It is a Sunday, okay. What day is 10th September? So let us write, this is Sunday, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay. Small, you write very small. What day is 10th September? 10th September is what? Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. What day is 22nd September? 22nd September is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. On which day is Teachers' Day? Teachers' Day is 5th September. So it is on Saturday. Saturday. Is 25th September a Friday? 25th. It is coming on Friday only, no? Yes. What is the date on the second Saturday? First Saturday is 5th. Second Saturday is 12. July comes before June. July comes before June. November comes after November. Where is November? See here, November. After July, I'm sorry. Here July comes before. Before means which month before is July? August, not June. August. Okay. November comes after October. Dash has 29 days in a leap year. February. Dash comes between two months whose names begin with the same letter. Whose months begin with the same letter. What is that? Let us see. January, March. No. February, April. Dash, see here. Only June, July is having the same letters, same J. It is starting with J. Dash comes between the two months whose name begin with the same letter. July. Okay, see. January, February, March, April, all are JF. Okay, here MM also same. See, March, May. March and May. MM and April comes in the middle. March, May. April is coming in the middle. APRIL, April. 2 months which have 31 days after the other are dash and dash. We have 2 months which have 31 days, one after the other. We have like December and January also 31 days and July, August also 31 days. See here, December and January, they are also coming one after the other, and July and August are also coming one after the other, who is having 31 days. You can write any one. Okay. July, August. June has 30 days. 2 months after September. After September, 2 months. September, October, November. If last month was August, dash will be the next month. Last month is August. Now this month, August after September. After September, October. Okay. A leap year has 366 days. Dash was the month 3 months before May. Before May 3 months. Before May 3 months. 1, 2, 3. So February. 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 Okay. Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Now you tell the third day of the week is Monday is first. Then third day, what will be the third day? Monday first, second, third is Wednesday. Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Friday. The second day of the week, Tuesday. Last day of the week, Sunday. Which day will come after Sunday? Monday. Before Sunday, Saturday. After Wednesday, Thursday. Before Wednesday, Tuesday. 2 days after Sunday, Tuesday. 4 days after Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunday. Okay. Which day do you like most? Why? You have to write it here. Which day you like? What is the day today? Today it's a Monday. Which day will it be the day after tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Which day was it the day before yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Day before yesterday is Saturday. Look at the calendar to find out which months have 30 days. Which months are having 30 days? March, May, June, September, November. Which months have 31 days? January, March, see children, sorry, which months have 30 days means I wrote March and May. No, March and May are having 31 days. I am sorry. You please rub that and write only April. Okay, April, 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 June, September, November, and 31 days January, March, May, July, August, October, December. How many days are there in February? 28 days. Okay, 28 days. How many days together are there in May and June? May. How many days are there in May? May 31 days plus June 30 days. 31 plus 30 is equal to how much? 30 plus 30 60, 61 days. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with the next pages exercises. Okay. Have a good day.